Want to spin up a production-ready MCP server foundation in under 10 seconds? We'll create the core FastMCP container that handles all protocol details, tool registration, and serialization, with optional parameters for versioning, client instructions, and even visual branding. You'll see how this two-line setup becomes the launchpad for everything from local testing to cloud deployment, though we'll still need to explicitly start it before use. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. MCP equals FastMCP, my MCP server. This demonstrates the containerized RPC pattern, where a FastMCP instance serves as both a tool registry and deployment unit. The two-line initialization creates a foundation for AI callable services, with the optional name parameter defaulting to FastMCP, identifying the server in logs and client interfaces. The pattern's key advantage is its dual role as a development container and production-ready server, supporting progressive configuration from simple prototypes to full deployments. The approach combines declarative tool registration with explicit runtime control. Decorators like @MCP tool define callable endpoints while keeping business logic framework agnostic, and the container manages protocol handling, serialization, and transport selection. However, unlike automatic web frameworks, FastMCP requires explicit startup via MCP, run, or CLI commands, giving developers precise control over execution context and transport layer configuration. This pattern solves the tension between rapid iteration and production requirements. The container model enables adding metadata like instructions, versioning, and UI elements, website URL, icons, without modifying tool implementations. While the basic setup is minimal, the framework supports gradual complexity through additional parameters and configuration, making it equally suitable for local testing via SDDIO or cloud deployment with HTTP transport. The trade-off is explicit startup management, but this ensures predictable behavior across environments. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI callable tools that bridges Python functions to AI models. The constructor accepts optional parameters like name, defaults to FastMCP, instructions for client guidance, version for API versioning, and UI metadata like website URL and icons, v2.14.0+, though the server still requires explicit startup via MCP, run, or CLI. MCP equals FastMCP, my MCP server. Initializes the FastMCP server instance with optional configuration, where my MCP server sets a human-readable identifier that defaults to FastMCP if omitted. This instance serves as your container for registering AI callable tools via decorators like @MCP tool, but requires explicit startup via MCP, run, or CLI commands like FastMCP run. Key constructor parameters include instructions for client guidance, version for API versioning, and website URL/icons, v2.14.0+ for client display, though production deployments typically need additional configuration beyond these basics. FastMCP Server Foundation. This two-line initialization creates a configurable AI callable server container, handling protocol details while exposing a declarative interface for tool registration via decorators like @MCP tool. Watch out, the server requires explicit startup via MCP, run, or CLI instantiation alone doesn't begin serving requests. Key takeaway, the optional name parameter default. FastMCP and additional metadata fields, instructions, version, website URL, icons, enable both rapid prototyping and production-ready configuration through the same interface. Part 1 of 4 in our FastMCP 2 series, next, exposing and documenting tools for AI clients.
The server that needs no configuration is the one that already knows what you'll need to configure next.